sometimes, no matter what you do, you're gonna have days like this where you just get whooped, but you finally get to the point where you figure out what's wrong. So for analyzer technicians, when you're setting flows, everything should just line up, do your little needle valves, everything be perfect. Once you get your flows set, everything should just come out where they're supposed to be. Basically, you might have to move some retention times or whatever. But, so I'm getting my flows set, but then it's weird stuff's happening. So I ended up, this is my detector flow coming off of this detector right there. And then it comes in out there. It's a filament inside of there. They don't use thermistor beads, they use filaments. All right, so I'm going to have, coming off the liquid sample valve is this guy, column 1. It comes up and it's going to go into my slider valve. Slider valve is then going to let it go out to column 2. Column 2 is going to bring it down to this valve, which this valve basically sends ethylene to a different column and goes to this detector. And then you switch over and it sends the heavier stuff, my 1-butene trans 2 and cis 2, to this detector. So it's kind of like heart cutting ethylene over there, and then you got to bring this over to have those components go there. Well, I've been checking flows and getting this and that and that and that. Well, I got all the way down to where I checked the flow right here, and I had good 40 cc's. But then when I check my flow past my filament, it drops to 16. I plugged a filament. How the hell do you plug a filament? Basically, this is your detector. You don't understand. This is the detector. You don't plug your detector. It's just, you plug a column, you plug restrictors, you plug all that kind of stuff. But once it makes it to the detector, it's supposed to just measure it and go out that vent right there and go to hell. Unplugged.